I don't know that there's a deposit that you take to the bank every Tuesday. Huh? Come on, please. You're okay. Eyes down, eyes down. Sorry about this, guys. It'll be all over in a second. Come on, you do this every day. Just calm down. Come on, here we go. Good job. Eyes down. Just find the key. Oh, God. Eyes down out there! Yes, you put it in. Put it into the safe and open it. Take the bag out. Put it down. I need you to take the ink bomb out.
If I do that, it'll blow up everywhere.
Not if you do it quick. You zip it right back up real fast, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good.